Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best book light Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Energizer Clip-on Book Light. The Clip Energizer in the light of the book is the compact versatility and contemporary portability and affordability in general in one. Durable aggregate spring clips easily flat on each face and pleasant. You have been chosen when reading. Bring to the head of the bed, desk, night-right shelf or book cover itself. What are the lithium-ion batteries are the currency that they are easy to find and book emits by. This light and warm soft light LED that is easy on the eyes and ideal light for type pages. If necessary, the direction of the beam and reason to the infinite made quickly and easily neck adjustable rubber. It is more expensive to book lights outside and recharging batteries. But there are none that, in our opinion, comply with the clip of the activating light of the book by its combination of comfort, lightness, flexibility and quality of construction in general. Number 2. Our second best pick is LuminoLite Rechargeable 7 LED Book Light. The other book in the light of the School War designs worlds. But despite their alien DNA design works very well here on Earth in a variety of settings from the bedroom to the kitchen keller and much more. The spring-loaded clip provides a vice-like control nearly everything about to be exposed, while the base, 2.5 by 1.5 inches is large enough to hold up, no matter what the light chooses. One position that we immediately noticed 7 LED above LuminoLite Book Light was the separation between marketing photos and reality when he reached the size of the lamp. In the photos it looks cut too large in a book. But if unboxed he realizes that it is actually the perfect size of a small bedside reading light. 6 LED lamps produce 3000K soft, warm light that is easy on the eyes and easy on your bedmate if you try to sleep. Number 3. Our third best pick is LuminoLite Rechargeable LED Neck Light. We leave behind the comfortable profile century, 20 a familial embrace LuminoLite Kootek the 21st century with rechargeable LED light neck. Lamp part sculpture, part conversation piece. This LED in the light of the neck he takes a back seat to anyone in the department of versatility. A wide end of each catch arm of a narrow beam of light and flood spot beam one to keep the light that gives you the opportunity of their close experience or stretches it out when no one else is in bed with you to achieve LED neck to sleep. But the LuminoLite light is more flexible than a single curiosity and is illuminated. Not only that, if it is spinning her neck. But neck light is not just a domestic cat. Hang around the neck when taking the dog for a walk. Unanimous security ad. Keep a car able to read so that children or play if you are on long trips. To keep in your toolbox, making it to bring light to always wear in areas to see at work, difficult. The battery is rechargeable completely through the micro USB cable included, and you can go anywhere except 740 hours service single charge. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Kootek Clip-on Book Light. The Kootek Clip Light Book has a more traditional profile desk lamp, but do not let that fool you. It is extremely versatile, reliable and it overlooks saving LED soft light at 2 different levels of brightness at the touch of a button. The Aura desk lamp is not an error, because designers here encourage people to think across functional boundaries to illuminate one side of your favorite novel. There is no reason why you cannot use them in the kitchen, living room, study, home office or corporate office. The Kootek book has 10 LEDs light soft light that produce 100 lumens. That's more than enough for your desk or light marks while playing the piano or violin. Buttresses the versatility is the fact that you charge the battery with the USB cable, included, or you can opt out and just plug the light into the nearest outlet with the optional AC adapter. No matter how the rolls Kootek throws at you. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is LuminoLite LED Bookmark Book Light. The entire book illuminates our leaderboard book light. This could be the best search. Of course, taste is subjective, but if I choose based only on appearance, he would lightly choose Bookmark LuminoLite. Hot Marker Light. The book offers a generous but not 28 lumens LED light, soft and warm overwhelming, that is ideal for discreet reading in bed or study after hours when her roommate is asleep. The light. Favorite book to your book or clipboard or head or anywhere else you want to shorten it. If you prefer to use it as a stand-alone lamp base, deflections in both directions allow state at the final table, kitchen counter, nightstand or desk. It weighs only 1.5 ounces light, so when it is said to be used as a marker it is serious. A great gift for students, lawyers or any other. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.